What's good, YouTube? What it do? What it do? What it do? So I'm just here to give y'all just another quick little hack to help y'all out on y'all hair journey. So as you can see, we are currently in the Dollar Tree, not a Dollar General. Make sure you know the difference because they are not the same. And this is where I find all of the pillowcases. And this is like a different Dollar Tree. This is my first time going to a different Dollar Tree and seeing that, like, okay, they do sell pillowcases in different places. But yes, this is like such a good hack because I tell you all the time, you know, make sure that you don't sleep on a cotton pillowcase or whatever else that's not satin or silk. And if y'all need help with anything, y'all, you know, hit me in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe to your boy. I got to get on with my day, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later. But y'all be smooth out here. Y'all be smooth in these streets. All right, y'all.